Hello, everybody. Hello, grade 3. Dear grade 3 parents, this is a video about the second exam, which is in Unit 3, Microsoft Word 2010 only. It is about the interface of Microsoft Word, the main screen of the Microsoft Word, the main components of this screen, and also some of the skills that can the student use in order to make formatting and styling for any paragraph. So, we have studied this unit in the school. We have solved all the exercises and the questions at the end of this unit. So this screen here, the components of the MS Word 2010 window, it is very important for the student to know each part of it, what it is. And it is very easy. You can see it is very simple, and all the students have knew these components in the school and what is the job for each one of them. This table, no need for the student to save all the information in his or her mind, every word, every letter, no. Just need to understand and just to review what is the job for each component of this screen. So we have learned how to make insert for any text. We can write any text now with the students, and we can make formatting, beautiful formatting, coloring, bold, underline, italic, and use these tools here for the styling. um, Also, we have learned how to maximize the font, how to change the size, how to change the font type, how to select any word, any sentence, any paragraph, and how to make editing using cut, copy, and paste. All these things we have it right. For the quick key, some of students we know about this cut, copy, and paste. And the other quick keys here, I asked the student to try them by themselves, but they are not required in the exam. No question about them. But the student, يعني, can use them in order to be faster when using Microsoft Word. Just self-reading or self-training or self-studying for the quick key. Redo and undo, all the students know the those two arrows, how we can benefit from them. Find and replace, yes, we tried this. We use this feature and this skill in Microsoft Word to find and replace some words in the school. So it is required from each student to know how to use it. Also, about the spelling and the grammar, if the student has some spelling issues in the paragraph, how to remove that and how to fix. Also, we have learned with them about the autocorrect feature, how to click and choose autocorrect from the options, from the correct options or to dictionary option. For the change case, also we have studied this in the school. We wrote paragraph and we tried all of them. The students can now يعني can know the difference between each one of them and how to change the case. It is from here. We used this in the school. And also we have solved these questions here. طبعا the glossary, it is very important all the time. The glossary for all the grades, it is very important. The glossary. The glossary, yes, the student should save what is the keywords, each one of the keywords, what it means, and understand. And keep in mind that These things here, they are the most important new terms and keywords in this unit. For the exercises, we have solved them all, okay? And the students answered them on the book. So the answers they are in the book with the students. Okay. So here we can try to answer them again. For example, it used to change the length and width of the page. This is Microsoft Word. Okay. Here you can see there is one feature to maximize, to minimize, to zoom in, zoom out the pages here. So هاي التول اسمها zoom. Zoom out, zoom in, zoom out, zoom in. So it is zoom. So this is zoom. So it is the area in the document where you can type the text. This area, هاي الاريا اللي هي البيج نفسها, it is the workspace or work area. Work area. It contains some commonly used options like undo, redo and save اللي هي quick access tools. هاي هي هون. Here. Save, undo and redo. This is a quick access tool. Quick access access tool. It is divided into tabs which are further divided into groups. هاي هي الtabs. كل tab فيه له options and a group of tools um, which is called حكينا ribbon. It is the ribbon. Okay. It provides information regarding page number, word count, language, page layout, and zoom slider. It is the status bar here. How many pages we have, how many words we have, and the status of the program. So this is a status bar. Status bar. Match the following. I am fond of reading books. This is sentence case. I am fond of reading books. This is capitalize each word. I am fond of reading books. This is toggle case. I am fond of reading. This is lowercase. This is uppercase. طيب. Answer the following questions. Explain the difference between the cut and copy. We know that the cut remove the thing from its place and move it to another place when pasted in another place or position. While copy, it is just duplicate the same thing, so we will not lose the word or the sentence in its place. We will duplicate it and copy it in another place. And name two scroll bars present on an MS Word 2010 window. We have this scroll bar, it is called vertical to move the page up and down. And if the page is bigger بيصير في عندي أنا scroll bar horizontal like this. What is the purpose of the find and replace dialog box? This is find and replace. This is find and replace. Sorry, we will use the dialog itself. So this is to find any word, go next to see all the words that we have in the document, or replace this word. Find it, then replace it. You can write the word that you want here, and you can write the other word that you want to replace this word by here, and then click replace to replace only one word, the first word that the document will find, or to replace all the words in a document, like this word, by the new word. We tried this in the school. The students now have knew this feature and how it works. Name the editing tools on the quick access toolbar. This is the quick access toolbar. في عندي save, redo, undo. Save to save your work, to save your document, to save your job, to save your information. Redo and undo to back, change, or retrieve another change you have erased it before. And also name all the okay options in the change case drop down list معروفين حليناهم بالتمرين بنروح هون. They are 5: sentence case, lowercase, uppercase, capitalize each word, and toggle case. Okay. And what are the uses of the spelling and grammar tool? The uses of the spelling and grammar tool. We want to correct any mistake. For example, we can come here. For example, we can هون مثلا computers فيها خطأ فبنكبس يمين أو بنكبس عليها. Okay. Type of computers. Types of computers small letter يعني الهاي. So we can choose the correct one here. Okay. And مثلا هون the computer. Type of computer without the. Okay. And like this we can make select. لأنه ما في أخطاء بالسبيلينج فما ظهر لي الأوبشن. Okay, if we want to search about anything, just you can use the search here. Spelling and grammar هي. Okay, so هون مثلا بنختار أي شي بدنا إياه في الجرامرز. كان make ignore for this لأنه كان هون في فراغ بين T or هون لازم يكون في فراغات. Okay, spaces. Anywhere, anyway, you can just come here and use this option here to make the spelling and grammar. It's very easy to use. It is not difficult to use if you have mistakes in your document. Now, the other question here, let us clear all these things here. Okay, hon, it is about the components. Back to this page, to the page that have this window. and to know the component for each one of them. About the project, احنا اشتغلنا كتير في الصف، كتبنا paragraphs، كتبنا كلمات، بس ما كتبنا journal. Yes, I will use this with the students grade 3. راح يكون عندهم البروجكت، يعني راح بعد ما نخلص السكند exam أو أثناء السكند exam. During the second exam I will post about the project using B12 app for the parents and for the students, and will explain for the students what I want. The project will be two parts. The first part using Microsoft Word. The student should write journal, make styling, make borders, shadings, like what I learned the students in the lab. And also coloring, but pictures. بيقدر الطالب يزيد على الأشياء اللي في الكتاب، يعني مش شرط بس الأشياء اللي في الكتاب، ممكن إنه يعني كان make styling for the paper, for the journal that the student will write. يعني in يعني adding advanced things مش بالضرورة تكون mentioned in the unit in the book. اللي بيعرف طبعا، ولكن أكيد راح يلتزم اللي يعني اللي حيعمل project لازم يوظف most of the tools that we have learned in the book، واللي بيزيد بيكون أفضل. الآن the second part of the project using Tax Paint. Each student will draw will draw a picture, will draw will make a drawing in the home, okay, and then print this thing colored and bring it to me in the school. طبعا حيتعلموا في المدرسة كيف يستخدموا التاكس paint. In the school we will learn all about tax paint, which is unit 7. For grade 3A, it is the only class that we have completed this whole unit with them. Grade 3A have completed tax paint unit 7. Grade 3C, I gave them introduction about it. Grade 3B also introduction about it. In the coming week, or in the coming 2 weeks, inshallah, we will complete this unit with them as 3A, and then the student should make the project and deliver this project for me to consider this project as the third mark for them. Thank you for listening, and thank you for watching. Good luck for you all my students. Thank you.